Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can change transition effect in your Redmi smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to long press your home screen and friends go to settings. Here it is the transition effect and here are lots of transition. You have to just click one of them like this, rotate, and you can see it is in rotate mode. You can see this, and if you change to book mode, then click on transition, and here it is the you can see page mode. You click on done and you can see page is set like this. This is how you can change your transition effect of your home screen. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.